Hey guys, hope you're doing good. And we all had been to the movie. And what happens when you go to the movie? Like you book the tickets, you call all your friends, you are all pumped up with the energy to watch that movie. And you reach the place also. And if it happens that if you're going in the cab and if the the cab driver is driving very slowly, you tell the cab driver also that please go faster, that I need to watch the movie. And you reach the place and you put your phone in silent mode also, like you on aeroplane mode also, and you give your full attention and you are fully focused on watching that movie. And what happens in that 3 hours, you want to know it, like you want to know that what will be happening in the movie, and you are really very curious and happy, like you want to get entertained in that 3 hours. But my question to you is, have you ever put similar 3 hours on your goal or on your passion? Most of the time it happens, guys, that we don't put that continuous 3 hours effort on the things which we want. Guys, it might have happened that you might have put that 3 hours of your continuous work while you are studying, while you are in the school or while you are in the college for preparing for the exam. But after that, after your education, have you ever put continuous 3 hours in something which you are really passionate? The same amount of intensity, the same amount of interest which you had while watching the movie, is it really happening with your goals, with your passion? I think so most of them would have the answer no. Because the thing is that, guys, whenever we go to the movie, we have that enthusiasm, we have that happiness, we have that interest to watch the movie. But when it comes to goal, when it comes to our passion, when it comes to our dreams, we tend to not give that much amount of hour for it. My only intention and my only advice to you people is that it's okay to watch the movie, it's okay that we get entertained for a while, but it's the same amount of intensity, the same amount of hours which you are giving while watching the movie, the same amount of interest which you are showing while watching the movie should be parallelly, or it should be equally happening with our goals. It should be happening with our dreams also. And most of the time, as I told, that you put your phone in the silent mode when you are watching the movie. The same should be happening when you are working on your goals, or when you are working on the passion, or when you are working on the dreams. Because it happens that we get distracted from the phone, we get distracted from the people. So while you watch the movie, we tend to put them in at the side zone, like we put the mobile phone into the silent mode. We avoid all those calls. We don't want to get disturbed when you're watching the movie. Same should be happening when it comes to your goals and when it comes to your dreams, when you're working towards it. Think about it, guys. It's really very important that the amount of hours, the 3 hours which you're giving while watching the movie, you should also try putting those 3 hours when it comes to your goals, when it comes to your dreams. And when you do it, you will start getting the results, you will start seeing the changes. And guys, it's really very important when that 3 hours which you are putting in your movie, the same should be applied when it comes to your goals. And I'm not telling that you need to completely give 3 hours, but it should happen that whatever amount of work or whatever amount of hour you are putting for your goals and passion, it should be matched with the intensity and with the happiness which you're watching the movie. And when you do it, you start seeing the changes, guys. Hope you loved this one, and if you like this video, please hit a like, please comment. And the takeaway from this video is, like, if you really if you have that intensity, if you have that enthusiasm while watching the movie, while watching the movie which you really want to watch, the same should be happening when it comes to your passion, when it comes to your goals. And when you do it, you will start seeing the changes. And yeah, that's it, guys. Please hit a like, please comment, and yeah, thank you.